CPI came in hot. Wholesale inflation just hit its biggest annual jump since 2022, and the S&P closed at another record. Then Cisco reported after the bell, up 15%, and announced 4,000 layoffs. Here's the full picture. April CPI dropped this morning. Headline came in at 3.8% year over year, versus a forecast of 3.7. Hotter. Core CPI 2.8, still above the Fed's 2% target. And the bigger shock, wholesale inflation, PPI, jumped about 6% on an annual basis. That's the biggest annual increase since 2022. Inflation is sticky, and the market shrugged it off. Again, the Dow opened down 250, but the NASDAQ pulled the tape back up by close. S&P new record, NASDAQ also a record. The reason is the same as Monday. The chip and tech complex is doing all the work. Inflation, hot, doesn't matter. Iran cracking, doesn't matter. Earnings rip from AI exposure, that's the only signal the market is trading on. The numbers S&P barely positive. Closing record. NASDAQ plus 0.11. Dow up modestly. Brent back, above 100 at 103.24. VIX 1801. And after the bell, Cisco. EPS 106 versus 104 expected. Revenue 15.84 billion. Stock ripped 15% in extended trading. AI infrastructure orders 2.1 billion in the quarter. Cisco raised its full-year AI order guidance to over 5 billion. But they also announced cutting 4,000 jobs, less than 5% of the workforce. 3 things to take away. 1, inflation came in hot and the market doesn't care. CPI and PPI were both worse than expected, and stocks closed at records anyway. The trade is so dominated by AI capex, it's overriding everything. 2, Cisco is now the 3rd major company this week to announce AI-driven layoffs. Cloudflare last Friday cut 1,000. Challenger Gray says AI is leading all job cuts. Today, Cisco. Watch this pattern. It's not slowing. It's down 3. AI orders are accelerating. Cisco at 5 billion. Supermicro raised guidance. AMD blew out. The spend is real, and the bar is high heading into NVDA late this month. Tomorrow, jobless claims, retail sales, more earnings. Watch oil, Brent back above 100. This has been your daily Flow Journal. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.